For many top athletes, using Airnergy in their daily training is as important as the training itself. Balbir Singh, possibly the world's best-known physiotherapist, continues to trust Airnergy. He used to look after Formula One driver Michael Schumacher.
Ich war skeptisch und dann habe ich probiert, dann denke ich mal, oh, das ist ja was, ne?
I was skeptical at first. Then I tried it and thought, actually, this might just work. And of course, I wanted other people to experience it too. There are certain things where I believe it's important to experience it for yourself. So I'm sure we can get other people to use this technology. It's so highly developed. And why shouldn't people use it? That's the message which I'm hoping to get across. I've also noticed, if you drink the water after you've finished breathing, that this can give you an extra kick as well.